Hi, I'm Hattie and I'm Maths Academic President.
I'm Ruth and I'm one of the final year course reps.
And we'd like to give you a tour of our new Student Centre. The Maths Student Centre is a real hub for us. It's a great place to relax between lectures or come get some work done.
It's a relaxed social environment where help is always available if you need it from staff and students. We have a team of course reps who are always on hand to offer support and advice with your course.
We have access to the latest technologies. It's available to all maths students for all projects.
Hi, I'm a part of the Actuarial Society at Southampton University. We use this space for meetings all the time, and we love it because it's so much more casual than sort of the library where it's very silent. It's way less overpacked, so we have so much space we don't have to pre-book it, which is brilliant. And it's just a really good space because it's also exclusive to us, which makes us feel very special as maths students.
Within the Student Centre we also have 2 pods, which are great for group projects and meetings.
We are currently working on a group project on a programme called Simulate for a module called Simulation in Queues, and we are looking to find the optimal location of a potential new fire station.
Sometimes it's nice just to use chalk.
We hope you've enjoyed the tour of our Maths Student Centre today.
If you want to find out more about studying maths at Southampton, go to southampton.ac.uk/maths.